First, the dash is located at the bottom of the screen. Desktop icon taskbar. Answer is taskbar. Second, the flash drive is popularly known as dash. DVD, hard disk, pen drive. Answer is pen drive. Third, a dash is used to copy the text and picture directly into the computer. Printer, scanner, touchpad. Answer is scanner. Fourth, dash printer uses laser beams to print. Inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, laser printer. Answer is laser printer. Fifth, graphics or symbols appear on the desktop are known as dash. Application, icons, subfolders. Answer is icons. Sixth, performing more than one task at a time is called dash. Multitasking, management, event driven. Answer is multitasking. Seventh, dash is the output device which allow you to hear sound. Speaker, scanner, printer. Answer is speaker. Eight, dash is not a secondary storage device. DVD, RAM, flash drive. Answer is RAM. Ninth, the printed copy is called dash. Soft copy, hard copy, large copy. Answer is hard copy. 10th, the shortcut key to create a new file is dash. Control N, Alt N, Control P. Answer is Control N. 11th, a dash is an output device. Printer, scanner, keyboard. Answer is printer. 12th, Blu-ray disc has the same dimensions as a dash. Flash drive, DVD, hard disk. Answer is DVD. 13th, the dash is the brain of the computer. Application, system, CPU. Answer is CPU. 14th, the commonly used keyboard has dash keys 121, 108, 104. Answer is 104. 15th, dash is the device which gives result on the paper. Monitor, printer, speaker. Answer is printer. 16th. The dash dash printer gives very high quality output. Laser printer, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer. Answer is inkjet printer. 17th. The most common way to create a file is by using any dash dash software. System, application, none. Answer is application. 18th. The maximum capacity of multimedia card is up to dash dash GB, 240, 128, 32. Answer is 128 GB. 19th. A dash dash is an input device. Printer, mouse, speaker. Answer is mouse. 20th. Windows dash dash is the latest version of Windows. 7, 10, XP. Answer is Windows 10. 21. Dash dash controls all the activities of computer. OS, application, hardware. Answer is OS, operating system. 22nd. Memory size 1 GB is equal to dash dash 1024 GB, 1024 MB, 1024 KB. Answer is 1024 MB.